Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be showing you how I upcycled what was a very boring and dull and old-fashioned storage unit into a very cool, bright and fun storage unit. And what's even better is it's extremely easy, very fun, and it looks great. So without further ado, let's just hop right into this video. Okay guys, so what you're going to need for this DIY is paint, obviously. I suppose the most important thing you're going to need is an actual storage unit to upcycle. Or you could just with like a chest of drawers, end table, anything really. You're also going to need paintbrushes, a variety of sizes, because there's certain pieces of this item that you'll have to paint that require a smaller paintbrush, and there's certain areas that need a bigger paintbrush. So just have a variety. I'd say maybe one medium to large, a small to medium, and a small. You're also going to need paint of your choice. You can paint this whatever color you want. You could, if you're an artist, you could probably get really creative with this and actually paint like a scene on the front of it, which would look really cool. So if any artists out there that could do that, tag me on Instagram because I want to see it. This is optional, but you can use spray paint as well. I use spray paint because I wanted that smooth, clean finish. I didn't want the brush strokes, even though it does have brush strokes, because I ended up painting it anyway because I ran out of spray paint. So yeah, you're going to need a screwdriver if you have any doorknobs or handles that you need to put onto your piece or take off your piece. So a screwdriver is very important. You're also going to need a primer depending on the surface that you're going to be painting onto. Mine was like a laminate, so it wasn't like solid wood, so I needed to prime it first so that the paint would actually stick to it and it wouldn't be come off like if you scratched it or rubbed off something. And that, my friends, is everything you need for this DIY. Okay, so first thing you need to do is prime your item. So I done this with just a paintbrush and a primer. Now I was wanting to get this spray primer, but there was none left in stock when I went to order all this, so I had to settle for a manual applied painting one. Now guys, once your piece is primed, then it's time to either spray paint or paint depending on which one you do. I spray painted, so I just covered my whole piece in spray paint. Okay, once this is done, then let your piece completely dry, and if it needs another layer, give it another layer, but if not, just let it dry completely, and then we can start doing the fun part. Okay, so this is when you can get really creative. I decided to do two palm trees, but I wanted to do them in black and white and keep it very minimal and simple, because I have a tendency to get too ahead of myself and then it just ends up not looking right. So I want to keep it very simple and easy. Even though it wasn't that easy, it took a bit of time, but I really enjoyed it. I mean, you can paint anything on here. It's basically pretty much like a blank canvas that you can just get so creative and have so much fun with. Okay guys, and there you have it. You have your beautiful upcycled, fresh, new piece that you can put in any space in your home. I think it's so important to upcycle old furniture, just, you know, to breathe new life into it, and also, you know, to keep it in action and keep using it, because, you know, your furniture needs love as well. Okay guys, and that's it. So please let me know in the comments if you're gonna find something in your home that you can upcycle, and are you going to do it? And if so, let me know in the comments, and also tag me on Instagram, it's up here. And before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also that little notification bell, just notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and a Saturday, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.